Hello, this is the Louis Vuitton Cosmetic Pouch PM, which is brand new. It's May and it may already be sold out. I tried to buy a brown one, and you're going to see in the little video in a minute, and that one sold out before I even got to the store. And so I actually ordered this one in because I'm from San Antonio and they didn't have it here in San Antonio. And I think I was lucky to get it. So because the brown one is sold out, I'm wondering if this one's going to be sold out pretty soon. But it is a beautiful, unique bag. I normally do not buy pouches that are a cream color because, you know, I'm hard on my bags and I'm always traveling and I'm putting stuff in and out and, you know, lots of stuff. And I don't like to stain my little travel gear. But this is so unique and beautiful that I thought, well, if the brown one's not available, I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. And sometimes these bags with the patches are pretty unique and they're fun and they're good to travel with. And it was just too nice for me to pass up. Now I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and the total though was $710 for this little pouch. And I think it doesn't matter which of the cosmetic pouches you get unless it's extremely unique. Most of them are about the same price. Oh my goodness, I got something that matches with my, well, it doesn't match, but it goes with my travel collection, and it has the patches. My first choice was the brown one, and it was sold out, I think, before it even came out. But isn't that pretty? I love this little patchwork, and I love these little stickers. I wish they had one with like different airports and stuff, and that would be really nice. And so, and of course it says Paris. I've always wanted for them to have like Paris, London, you know, maybe Dublin, Ireland or something, Scotland. But of course they're going to put Paris because it's Louis Vuitton. But this is really beautiful work, and it's very unique. And the brown one was also very nice, but it did sell out quick. And so anytime they have stuff with the patches, they really sell out kind of fast. Maybe because it looks like, you know, vintage. Let me see if I can get a close up on that. Made in France. Okay, and it is kind of light color inside, but you know, it's okay. And let me show you what I actually put in there. Okay, and here I still have space inside, but this is usually what I take on travel, just like simple stuff. My eyelashes, eyelash glue, my base, eyeshadow, you know, cover stick, my brush, and it still fits more, some band-aids, my travel medication. And so that little pocket's actually nice. Mascara, you know, a couple of things, some eyeshadow. Okay, so it actually fits quite a bit, but you know, it's just a regular cosmetic bag, and it's the small one. You can put this in the big toiletry bag as well, like the Nice, and just have it for travel. But if you're having like a small trip and you just need, you know, a little space for your makeup, this is a really great little pouch, and so I really like it. The truth is, I got it because of the patchwork. It's very unique, and they don't often have these. I wish they would do something patchwork, like maybe with airports or something. You know, like LaGuardia and Kennedy and, you know, Chicago O'Hare and stuff like that. But it's still with the Louis. I can understand why they do the Louis Vuitton. They also have a suitcase with these patches and stuff like that. But this is really nice. It's really fun as well. And so it's really a great little travel companion. You can also use it for like I have insulin for my diabetes, and you can put your little needles and things like that, and medication and stuff like that. So it can be a medication bag if you want it to be, depending on how much medication you use. But for me, for travel, I just put everything in the little pouches for medication, and I use it really for makeup, and it's really nice. And so just, a few products and stuff, but it's a nice little bag, and I thought I'd like to share. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Now here's a close-up. It is a gold um, metal, and it has the LV on it. It is pretty cute. And of course, you can see the actual canvas real close up there. And it is a nice, well built, pretty little bag. I didn't want to forget the bottom this time. And so I'm going to go ahead and show, I already showed the front side. This is the bottom part. And I'm going to go ahead and show the flip side as well. Now here's the opposite side from the other one. And these patches are pretty cute too. I really like that Eiffel Tower one and the pink little sticker. They are unique, and of course it's going to say Paris because, Louis Vuitton is from Paris. But I really do wish that they would come up with something that has some other countries on it, kind of like the airports or something like that. And that would be unique too. But I mean, well, it's just an idea. But this is beautiful. And this is the whole little bag. It does seem very sturdy, and the inside is washable. And so most of the little toiletry bags, they're actually quite unique. You can put it in your checked bag if you have a lot of dry products in there, and it fits a lot inside. So all in all, I think this one, if you like to travel with your own cosmetic case, it's a pretty good deal. And you can fit a lot of stuff in there, not just your cosmetics, but also your medication or cotton balls or Q-tips or, Band-Aids, things like that. And it's a nice place to keep everything stored. I also didn't think about this, but someone told me, you could put all of your little cables and stuff for, your phone, your charger, and all of that stuff. Although you do have to be careful with some battery chargers now, because some airlines are not in allowing all of them. So just, watch out for that. But this could also be, a place where you can store all of your chargers and the wiring for, your headphones, your phone, or your iPad, and all of your gear. Okay, this is a very unique bag. I'm really glad I got it. It's very beautiful. And even though I got the cream color instead of the brown one, I'm actually liking these stickers more than that other one. So all in all, it's a good purchase for me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless. Please like. Thank you.